Hi, I'm Chelsea here with Hunter Fan Company, and I'm here with Julian, and today we're going to show you how you can easily install our DC wire extension kit. This kit is only for use with our DC motor fans that have the receiver in the canopy.
First, you need to determine the correct length of the fan's downrod and wire harness for your ceiling height. You can find this handy downrod length chart on our website, hunterfan.com.
For example, we're going to be extending this on an 18-inch downrod, and we're going to use our Brazos ceiling fan. For this, you'll need this DC wire extension kit. And on the kit, it lets you know the inches for the downrod. So here you can see 18 and 24, which coincides with our 18-inch downrod. All right, Julian, can you show us how we should start?
All right, locate the downrod we will remove. There's a screw on top of the ball assembly. We're going to remove this screw first. And we're going to set it to the side, but we'll reinstall it later. We're going to slide the ball down. We're going to locate the ground wire with the green screw that attaches to the downrod. We're going to remove it as well. We're going to set it to the side. There's a metal pin. We're going to remove that from the downrod. And we're going to slide the plastic spacer down. Now we can remove the downrod completely from the fan assembly.
Now, inside of the box is where we have the extended wire kits. And as I mentioned, you'll see the size on there. There are two different sets inside of a box. So now we're going to connect our kit. So we've grabbed our wires that we need, and now we're gonna plug it in. And what's really great about this is it's color coded and it's really easy to plug in. The colors match up and we just click it right in. Hear that click. Here as well.
Once you install your extension kit, now you're going to thread these through the downrod. Going through the thread first, not the other end. You do want to stagger these a little bit. You don't want these right next to each other. So you want to put one in first, then the other. All right, pull those through. So now we're going to reinstall our components that we set to the side. So you're going to take your plastic spacer, put that in place. We're going to take our round wire and the green screw, thread it in right here. Try to make sure the ground wire is pointed upward. All right, you're going to take your pin that we took out. We're going to try to insert it inside with both wires on one side. And once you've done that, you're going to slide your ball back up. It only really goes one way. All right. Then we're going to reinstall the screw that we took from the top of the ball assembly. Once you've located the screw, then put it on and tighten it up. Now we can screw the downrod in place. After you tighten the downrod in place, you're going to tighten the set screw. And you're going to give it a good turn. Make sure it's on there good.
And then that's it?
That's it.
All right. And then what you'll do is you'll just continue to install your fan as you normally would using your instructions in your owner's manual. So for more details, you guys can head over to hunterfan.com.